Now to Portland. The Rio Grande continues to rise, and there are concerns about residents living along the riverside. Relatives are fearful lives could be lost if the heavy rains persist. Anthony Lugg has our story.
A group of residents in Berrydale, Portland, look on at the Rio Grande as the water rages Tuesday afternoon. Residents have been on edge since Sunday as the water continues to rise due to persistent rainfall in the parish.
On a typical day, residents would use the raft that are lined along here to make their way in and out of the community. But with the river now raging, they're unable to do so.
There's a lot of people over there who can't come across neither. They're in a difficulty, so they would need little assistance, food stuff and stuff like that.
You're in contact with anybody over there from morning or from yesterday?
No, we can't get to call them because them phone, them power run out, you know.
Yeah, me have an uncle by that side. Yeah, me have to come across and he said he just want to secure your house.
While some decided to brave the waters, Reggie did not. He told us he was more concerned about his family's safety.
Would I be more comfortable on my side, but through being with my family and rather feel more safe out my babies them and say, oh, all right, then risk it for over there, so say it can cause lives or anything like that possible.
But with the rains associated with Hurricane Melissa expected to linger for several days, there's no telling when he'll get the chance to do so. Until then, the community is hoping the residents on the other side of the river will be able to weather the storm.
We're just waiting for the best, and I expect nothing bad to come out of this hurricane.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.